In this video, we cover the recent landmark ruling by the Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal, CESTAT, Chennai, in the case of MS Hyundai Motor India Limited versus Commissioner of Customs Chennai 2, Imports. The tribunal overturned the original order that reclassified Hyundai's imported latch and actuator assembly as complete automobile locks under Customs Tariff Item, CTI, 8,30,12,000, instead ruling that they should be classified as parts of locks under CTI 830160000. This decision was based on the tribunal's observation that the imported items were not capable of performing the essential functions of a lock without additional components and manufacturing processes. The tribunal also upheld Hyundai's claim for preferential duty benefits under Notification No. 46/2011 CUS. Citing Clause 7C of Annexure 3 of the Customs Tariff Rules, 2009, which mandates that objections to the country of origin certificate must be raised within 60 days, a condition not met by the Customs Department. The tribunal followed the precedent set in MS Cherokee Auto Components India Pvt. Limited vs. CCE and Cent, Ahmedabad, 2020, 374, ELT 433, Tribunal Ahmedabad, upheld by the Supreme Court in 2021, 378, ELT 145, SC, which established that child parts should be classified under specific headings for parts, not as complete systems. Additionally, the tribunal ruled that the confiscation of goods, imposition of redemption fines, and penalties under Section 114 of the Customs Act, 1962, were unsustainable due to the lack of evidence of fraudulent intent or misrepresentation by Hyundai. The tribunal relied on the Supreme Court's decision in Commissioner of Customs, Import, Mumbai vs. F.Ines Creation Incorporated, 2009, 248, ELT 122, Bombay, which held that goods cleared without a bond cannot be confiscated post-clearance. This ruling is a significant win for Hyundai Motor India and sets a precedent for future cases involving customs classification and duty benefits. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.